Hey everyone, it's Tom from eReplacementParts.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace your mower's spindle bearings. Though the procedure may vary by model, this guide will give you the confidence you need to replace your own spindle bearings and get you back to mowing in no time. eReplacementParts.com is a one-stop shop for all your lawn tractor and small engine parts. Visit us by clicking the link in the description below or heading to eReplacementParts.com. Now, before you even start to work on your lawn tractor, there are a few safety precautions you should follow. Firstly, you'll want to make sure that your ignition is in the off position and then remove the key. Next, you'll want to disconnect the battery so there's no chance of the mower starting up. Now that we've got that out of the way, we'll start by dropping your deck into the lowest position. Next, disconnect the belt along with any cables or harness connectors. Mowers tend to vary from a 3-point connector system to a 4-point system. If you're unsure, check your user manual. Once your mower deck is free, slowly slide it out. Next, you'll need to remove both left and right spindle covers. Once you have the covers removed, undo the belt from the pulleys. Next, you'll need to flip the mower deck over blade side up. Remove the nut, the washer, and then the blade from the spindles. Next, flip the deck so it's pulley side up. Remove the nut, pulley, and spacer on both sides. You'll now need to stand the deck on its side and remove both spindles. Once you have the spindles removed, take a punch and a hammer and tap the bearings out on the left and right side. You'll also have to remove 2 sleeves. Repeat the process on the opposite side, removing the 2 final bearings. Once all the bearings and sleeves are removed, give it a spray with cleaner and wipe out any dirt or residue. This makes it easier to fit the new bearings. When installing your bearings, you can use a bearing driver, which is designed to minimize damage to your new bearing. If you don't have one, you can use a socket that is the matching size to your bearing. Place the bearing in the proper position and slowly tap it in, making sure the bearing rests properly in its final position. Next, flip the mower deck over and insert the sleeves, and then tap the new bearings into place. After all the bearings and sleeves have been replaced, you can now reinsert the spindles. Once again, prop the mower deck up on its side and reassemble, starting with the spacers, pulley, and then the lock nut. Make sure you tighten both sides thoroughly. Next, replace both mower blades and tighten securely. Add some grease to the spindle via the grease nipple and then replace each spindle cover. Slide your mower deck under your tractor and you're ready to reattach. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this guide helped you get your lawn tractor back into mowing action. If you have any tips or comments on how you replace your spindle bearings, leave them in the comments section below. And for more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.